हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज की वीडियो में हम 18 जून 2025 के टॉप 25 MCQ गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में आपके लिए क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है कमेंट सेक्शन में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ काउंटरिंग हेट स्पीच is observed every year on, and the answer is 18th June. Second question, who has been appointed as India's next ambassador to North Korea? And the answer is Alyavati Longkumer. Third question, what is the name of the operation launched by Iran in retaliation against Israel's Operation Rising Lion? And the answer is Operation True Promise Third. Fourth question, the Global Education Monitoring Report is published by which organization? And the answer is UNESCO. Fifth question, recently NPCI signed an MOU with the Bank of which country to launch UPI services? And the answer is Cyprus. Sixth question, who has been appointed as the new managing director and head of Meta in India? And the answer is Arun Srinivas. Seventh question, in which city the first edition of the Hockey India Masters Cup 2025 be held? And the answer is Chennai. Eighth question, which ministry headed the India largest ever tribal empowerment campaign, that is Dharti Aaba Jan Bhagidari Abhiyan? And the answer is Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Ninth question, 13th ICC Women's ODI World Cup 2025 will be co-hosted by India and which country? And the answer is Sri Lanka. 10th question, on which date World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought 2025 is celebrated? And the answer is 17th June. 11th question, which organization has launched a pilot project for digital consent management to combat spam? And the answer is the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. 12th question, on which date World Crocodile Day 2025 is celebrated? And the answer is 17th June. 13th question, recently Armand Duplantis sets the 12th world record with 6.28 meter vault. He is from which country? And the answer is Sweden. 14th question, which of the following will become the first state in India to conduct e-voting? And the answer is Bihar. 15th question, who has been appointed as the Chancellor of Chanakya University in Bengaluru? And the answer is S. Somnath. 16th question, who was appointed as the Managing Director and CEO of LIC? And the answer is R. Doraiswamy. 17th question, which Indian city was nominated as UNESCO's Creativity City of Gastronomy? And the answer is Lucknow. 18th question, when is Global Wind Day 2025 observed? And the answer is 15th June. 19th question, India has chosen which city as the national host city to commemorate the completion of 10 years of International Yoga Day? And the answer is Vishakhapatnam. 20th question. Who has won the title of Canadian Grand Prix F1 2025? And the answer is George Russell. 21st question. Who has been appointed as the new managing director by Sun Pharma Company? And the answer is Kirti Ganorkar. 22nd question. Recently, in which state Idea Festival has been started to promote entrepreneurship and innovation? And the answer is Bihar. 23rd question. Who has recently organized the Summer Carnival 2025 in Ladakh? And the answer is Indian Army. 24th question. Which cricket club has recently declared the bunny hop boundary catch invalid? And the answer is Marylebone Cricket Club. And the last 25th question. Where is India's largest automobile Gati Shakti multimodal cargo terminal been inaugurated recently? And the answer is Manesar. तो ये थे 18 जून 2025 के टॉप 25 MCQ और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है विच इंडियन प्लेयर हैज सिक्योर्ड द फर्स्ट पोजीशन in the latest ICC Women's ODI बैटिंग रैंकिंग्स रिलीज रिसेंटली। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।